The sum of triangle is 180 degree, but is it good idea to just remember this thing, or is it better to do some hand-on activity and to understand the concept that why these three angles of triangle is 180 degree? Hello friends, my name is Arpan and I am going to share one small activity degree. So let us start our learning session. For this activity, we'll take any color paper, we'll cut it to the triangle shape like this. The triangle could be like right, scalene or isosceles, it doesn't matter, the sum will be 180 degree only. Now let's mark at its angles. Now see, here we are proving that the sum of three angle of triangle is 180 degree. So here we'll first cut these three angles like this. We can do this activity in worksheet or maths notebook or any paper. So see here, what we have to do is just I have written the angle sum property which we are proving. Now let me draw one line like this, and now we'll paste the angles of triangles like this. And here we go. You can see that this protractor, and we'll use it to prove that the sum of triangle is 180 degree. So here we can see that the sum of three angles is 180 degree, right? You can do this activity. I hope this video will be helpful to you in your studies. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.